Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy and excited you're here because my husband Allan and I are getting ready to host a wonderful annual Super Bowl party. We love hosting this party every year, and this time is no different. We're making all sorts of things on our smoker grills and in our outdoor kitchen. Let me show you everything we're going to be putting together for our Super Bowl party. We are cooking up a big spread for the Super Bowl party. It'll be so much fun to watch the game with our friends and have all of this tasty food to enjoy. I'm busy making some jalapeno poppers for the Super Bowl party. One little trick I like to use is a grapefruit spoon to clear out the inside of the jalapenos because look, this spoon has a serrated edge. It works really great to scrape out the inside with all of the seeds. I have my cream cheese softened, I have paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm going to add a little cheddar cheese and mix this together. I love using an offset spatula to fill my jalapeno poppers. I just tuck it in like this, and that way I don't need any toothpicks. For my Super Bowl dessert, I'm going to be making a zero sugar brownie, and I'm going to make this with a zero sugar brownie mix. Allan's making a tri-tip for the Super Bowl party today too, and he's going to season it up with some really good seasonings. Allan's cutting up chicken wings for our Super Bowl party. They'll be so delicious to have along with our meal today. I know our friends are going to love these. The chicken wings are all seasoned and ready to go on the barbecue grill. Allan just put this wonderful looking pizza together with a football design of pepperoni. The football brownies just came out of the oven. They smell wonderful. Allan is getting the dip all ready to go. This is going to be a wonderful velveta dip. We have cheese and rotel and some green chilies. It's going to be absolutely delicious on the smoker grill. We'll have some delicious tortilla chips with our queso dip. And here's everything we have for our Super Bowl party. Tri-tip tacos, some wonderful queso dip, jalapeno poppers, pizza, pretzels, chips and dip, carrots, the wonderful football brownie, and delicious chicken wings. And here are all the delicious things we use to season all of these wonderful foods. We had so much fun putting everything together for this Super Bowl party. We have been outside running around cooking and grilling all day and making all of these recipes, and now our friends will be here soon. The food was almost done, and I need to go get cleaned up and get ready for the party. I'm so glad you're here, and I would be really happy if you click the like button and subscribe. Happy Super Bowl day, and I'll see you next time.